session, we are going to discuss about 1. The basic use of the teeth. 2. Teeth and the functions. 3. Kinds of teeth. 4. Last but not the least, very important, parts of a tooth. Now let me ask you a question. Do you know what is the basic use of our teeth? Now I am here to answer this question. The use of the teeth is to bite and chew our food. Teeth help us to speak clearly. Teeth give our face a good shape and a beautiful smile like you are seeing here. We must take good care of teeth. Now let's jump into teeth and their functions. Human beings have two sets of teeth like you are seeing here. They are temporary teeth and permanent teeth. In temporary teeth, there are 4 central incisors, 4 lateral incisors, 4 canines, 4 first molars, 4 second molars. Totally, there are 20 temporary teeth. In permanent teeth, there are 4 central incisors, 4 lateral incisors, 4 canines, 4 first premolars, 4 second premolars, 4 first molars, 4 second molars, 4 third molars. Totally, there are 32 permanent teeth. So, there are 20 temporary teeth and 32 permanent teeth. We all know that babies are born without any teeth. The first tooth starts emerging when the child is about 6 months old. The entire set is formed before the child is 2.5 years old. This set is called the temporary teeth or the milk teeth. There are about 20 milk teeth we discussed here already. By the age of 6 or 7, these teeth start to fall one by one. A new set of teeth takes their place. These are called permanent teeth. There are 32 in number, that means 16 in each jaw we already discussed about. Now let's discuss about kinds of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth based on their functions. Like you are seeing here, they are incisors, canines, premolars and the molars. Now let's discuss about the first type of teeth, incisors. You are seeing here, this is the picture of the incisors. Incisors are chisel-shaped teeth. They help in cutting and biting the food. They are present in the front of the mouth. There are 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw. Incisors are well developed in the herbivores to help them in biting and cutting grass as also plant parts. Now let's discuss about the second type, canines. The picture you are seeing here is the canine. Canines are sharp teeth and are present next to the incisors. They help in tearing food. There are 2 canines in each jaw. Totally, there are 4 canines. Carnivores have sharp and well-developed canines for killing, ripping and tearing the flesh of their prey. Now let's discuss about the third type called premolars. Premolars are flat and broad teeth. They are present behind the canines. They are 8 in number, 4 in each jaw. Their function is to crack, crush and chew the food. The picture you are seeing here is the premolar. Now let's discuss about the fourth type called molars. The picture presented over here is the molar. Molars are present behind the premolars. They are the bigger and the wider than the premolars. They have points and rows like you are seeing here. They help to chew and grind the food thoroughly. There are 6 molars in each jaw of an adult. Remember, there are 6 molars in each jaw of an adult. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you know what is the hardest part in the body? I'll tell you this answer in the explanation of parts of a tooth. Now, I am going to explain about parts of a tooth. There are 3 parts of tooth. They are crown, neck and the root. The visible part of the tooth is the crown, the middle part of the crown and the root is the neck. The part which fixes the tooth in the gum is called the root. The outer part of the tooth is white in color and made up of enamel. Under the enamel lies the hard dentine. Inside the dentine lies the soft pulp. It contains the blood vessels and the nerves and nourishes the dentine. The tooth is fixed in the gum. Now I asked you a question. what is the hardest part of the body? That is nothing but none other than the enamel. The enamel is the hardest part in the body. It is also stronger than the bones. Now I'll tell you what happens if it does not take care of our teeth properly. Taking care of the teeth is very important. Otherwise, we could face dental problems. Small pieces of food get stuck in the teeth when we eat. If these are not cleaned, germs begin to grow and produce a sticky yellow coating called plaque. Germs attack the enamel and the dentine, forming a cavity or tooth decay. When the germs attack the nerves, it leads to toothache, bad breath, or bleeding.